Oh, that was so scary. It looks like it's lava. If we had some wood, I think we can make a campfire. You first, ladies first. Oh, and then next, gentleman. I had to take a picture of the sparkle. The spark. Yeah, the spark thingy. I see like a circle now.
Do you want to do a vlog for your YouTube video?
Yeah, I'm already doing a vlog, and that's gonna be so good.
How are you doing a vlog when you're not even talking?
Well, I'll just show my fireworks, and also I'm gonna talk. Hi guys, remember? Like I'm doing fireworks. I remember I did it in my in yesterday, but I didn't show you guys because I didn't know how to make a YouTube video. But now I do. So look at this firework. Isn't it so cool? It's called a spark. This firework is called a spark. It's like a sprinkle, but it's a spark. And then it will end soon. There, it ended. And guys, you see the red thing? It's red because it's so hot. It ended. Alright.